Hi, we're Jordana and Grant from Shot in the Dark Travel. Come join us on our epic adventures around Southeast Asia.
In Langkawi, we stay at a 5-star beachfront hotel. We take the steepest cable car in the world up to the Sky Bridge.
Where are you?
We're at the top, it's fine. We go on a boat tour to an eco-forest. And we check out the beaches and nightlife of Langkawi. Hey guys, we've just arrived in Langkawi, we just got to the hotel. We're super excited about Langkawi. I think all the people we spoke to in Malaysia have been saying Langkawi is like the Bali of Malaysia, so we're super excited, we've got loads to do. We're staying in a nice hotel, so hopefully it should be really good.
I mean, the weather's not supposed to be pretty good for the next couple of days, so we'll see what we get done. At the moment, it seems to be holding off, but there's quite a lot of ominous clouds, so we'll just see. It says like thunderstorms every day. So.
Yeah, the weather forecast is fairly terrible, so we're hoping in between when the sun comes out, we can manage to get done all we want to do and have a good time. So we'll see how we get on. So this is our hotel in Langkawi. We are staying at the Pelangi Beach Resort and Spa. And this probably ain't a typical backpacker type holiday accommodation. I think we've gone a bit expensive here. So this was one of Jordana's birthday presents to me, was we're gonna stay somewhere a bit more luxurious. So this is our room here, nice and big. All of the, we haven't really seen everything in the hotel properly. It all looks really nice, as you can see out the window. It's all very green and lovely. And then the beach isn't too far away. I think it's about a 2 or 3 minute walk maybe to the private beach for the hotel. So looking forward to that.
One thing I would say is that in Langkawi you don't get much for your money. So this was a 5-star resort and it was super expensive. And it's lovely, but would I call it a 5-star? Probably not.
Yeah, from what we've seen so far, it might be a bit early to judge, but it's expensive for what it is.
For our budget of like £30 a night, we couldn't find anything that was half decent, that didn't have like terrible reviews about like if it were clean and things like that. So yeah. Yeah,
I think in general Malaysia's a bit more expensive than Indonesia, and it feels like of the places we've been, Langkawi is by far the most expensive. But you know, if you're aware of that and you've done your research in advance, it shouldn't be a shock. We got our accommodation really last minute and we're a bit surprised, but it is what it is. It's really nice at least. Bathroom's nice, loads of storage, everything's super clean. So yeah, I think we're mainly here, aren't we, for the private beach and the resort and the pools and stuff, but it's always nice to have a nice room. So we'll show you around the rest of the hotel later. We arrived fairly late in the afternoon, so we had a quick explore around the hotel. And then we headed to the hotel's beachfront restaurant for a bit of food before checking out the beach.
The next couple of days the weather was pretty rubbish. But it usually cleared up in the evenings, so we would go out to some restaurants and bars.
Is this video or photo?
Video?
Ah, I thought it was photo. It's amazing.
This was our favourite restaurant in Langkawi. Grant loved the vanilla milkshakes and the burritos were to die for. Morning guys, so we have just got up, it's quite early, after a heavy night. We finally got like pure sunshine today, so we've decided to do the steepest cable car in the world. And what's it called?
Langkawi Sky Cab.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna like be terrified, but we'll see how it goes. Also, there's these monkeys in the entrance, so that's gonna be interesting. There's about like 8 of them.
Yeah, it seems anywhere you go in Asia that tourists want to go to, there's always
monkeys.
loads of monkeys there waiting. These ones look quite cute. They're not the usual macaque monkeys that are the naughty ones that are always trying to attack people and steal things. These actually look really cute. So
They actually do look cute, and that's coming from me. But I did just see one try and go in someone's car, so we'll see if they're that cute.
yeah,
Oh,
nope. Just stay calm.
Nope, there's another.
Just stay calm. They're not going near you.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm
You're
out.
out.
I'm out. I'm gone.
Okay, just wait.
Right.
We'll stay away from them for a bit if you want, while they all cross the road.
Oh, look at ostriches.
Oh god, yeah, and donkeys for some reason. The ostrich massive. Got a weird little petting zoo at the bottom of the sky list, haven't you?
I hope this is sick. Oh, it's very jerky.
Yeah, it's How you feeling, Jordana? Can't look at camera now.
Oh, very happy. Oh my gosh.
It's a little bit wobbly.
Oh my god. No, I can't. I literally can't. This is so high. I hate this.
You just go, guys, got
Oh my god.
Oh god, yeah, I'm glad we got a private one. Can you imagine sat opposite someone like this? So I'm almost at the top. Right, there's gonna be a jerky in a sec, but then we're getting off. It's gonna be jerky in a sec, just stay calm.
Where are you?
We're at the top, it's fine. God. I wasn't that scared this time. You were scaring me with all the screaming. Did you enjoy it?
No.
So we thought we'd got to the top. This is Jordana's face when she realised we're at the middle station, not the top station. We've got another one to do.
Oh, I just don't know if I can do it.
You can. We can't check it out now. It's alright, love, just deep breaths.
Oh my god. This is so ridiculous now.
Check these views out at the top. There's loads, there's one up left, one up right. Jordana, how you finding the walk? It's nice to see me eating leaves and grass instead of crisps and stuff they've stolen.
Say that.
Oh, he's drinking a Sprite can, that one, yeah.
So just on the Sky Bridge, it is immense. The views are like gorgeous. I imagine if the weather's not good, it's probably like a wasted trip. But this is literally gorgeous. The bridge does move, and Grant is like fully like pooing his pants.
I feel like it's making me slightly dizzy that it's moving a little bit. I don't know, not too keen.
But yeah, we're like, we want to sunbathe because this is like one of the best days we've had
in Langkawi, so we're kind of like now, like, we've seen it, we've done it, we've scared ourselves, let's go and relax. So I think we're gonna do the trip down on the gondolas, which is gonna be, again, interesting. I'll probably scream loads and Grant will probably laugh, but yeah, back to the hotel, get some grub and relax.
We've got coming up now literally looks like a roller coaster. It's so steep when you accelerate pretty quick. I'm feeling a bit nervous.
Oh. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
You right, love? So as well as the cable car which we're currently on and the sky bridge which we've walked up at the top, there's quite a lot of other bits in this area. So down at the bottom, down here, where you get the cable car at the bottom, there's loads of other stuff. There's like a few rides, there's a 3D museum that looks quite cool. We were planning to go there and check out a few of the other activities, but it's the nicest day we've had by an absolute mile in terms of weather, so we just want to get back and go to the beach.
The amazing beaches are easily one of the best things about Langkawi. We loved that our hotel was right on the main beach. Next, we went out to explore Langkawi Centre. There were loads of fast food places like McDonald's, Starbucks, Pizza Hut, but to be honest, there wasn't a huge range of nice restaurants. So we ended up going back to our favourite Mexican, El Toro.
My hair's sweating. After a few more rainy days, we managed to make it to Langkawi's famous geoforest, where we went through a bat cave, rode a boat through the mangroves and saw lots of wildlife and went to the beach. We have done a full video on this boat trip, so if you want to see what we get up to, then make sure you check it out in our next video. As always guys, if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.